Well, hello again, Rebecca here. Taking a couple days off. The quarantine got me like crazy, and I live in Illinois, so we are still on lockdown until the end of May. Um, so I just figured I'd flip through here and show you how many layouts I have got done thus far with the Photo Play for the Love of Summer collection. And a lot of the sketches and the designs that I've been using call for a solid background, so and it did come with I think 12 pattern papers, so I've been making the most of it. So there's a process order on this one, or a process video on this one. So there's this, and that's the only one there's a process video for. I've just been kind of creating here and there whenever I had a chance. So there's this one I did a sketch. I really wish that I would have stitched through it, but it's okay. So I did lots of circles. Now this is one of the pattern papers, and it was so light it kind of reads as a solid. And there was the back. So that's like the only pattern paper that I used for a background. There is this one. And then this is the one that I created yesterday. It is a double page layout, and I did a page sketch, page maps, but I made it my own actually. So I've been in a circle kick. So so far I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layouts, and I have no, not that, sorry. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 solid pieces of paper left. So I may get tired of playing with this kit. Usually when I get to 6 layouts, the kit's pretty much done. So I guess we'll have to see, but it's really, I've been really wanting to get into summer and scrapbooking, and it started getting nice out, and we started landscaping, and so, but anyway, figured I'd just pop on real quick and show you, that chipboard doesn't stick. So, I'll put some glue behind that, but yeah, so go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Please click that subscribe button below. I am 3 away from 100, and once I get to 100, I'm going to give away a prize pack. So 3 more subscribers, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.